Today I'll be reviewing the Truearth bracelet, and it comes packaged like this. Very cute packaging, great for as a gift, Mother's Day gift, a gift for your wife, a gift for a celebration, graduation. And it comes with a velvet case to use to protect the bracelet, and it looks like this right there. And it also comes with some information. So right out of the packaging, this is what this bracelet looks like. This is a jade donut shaped pendant bracelet. This bracelet is measured 15 by 2.5 by 4 mm. It has a nice golden clasp right here. It is made from natural jade, this natural green jade. The material of the bracelet is brass with silver plating and clasp free design with adjustable slider. So the clasp area, you can slide it. It has this adjustable slider right here where you can slide it to make it either smaller or bigger. So I love this. I love the meaning of jade. Jade is a symbol of purity. Jade is actually my birth month, which is May. It is also a sign of serenity, as you can see. And it's very, very important to know that the round donut means good fortune and avoidance of evil. So after I put it on, I can easily just slide it like that. You see how I just slide it? Very easy. And it's also so easy to take off. All you just do is just pull the clasp like that, and it's easy to come off. This green jade bracelet is not chemically tested, so it's not harmful, and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, beautiful design.